All right, so today we are changing out that for something flat. Okay, so that's what we're changing out. So turn the power off so you don't electrocute yourself, would be a good prize.
Is that it?
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
That gives us, I don't have a whole lot of light. Okay.
Ow, ow.
Hot, hot.
Yeah, it's been on for a while.
Okay.
I found it.
Oh, you drill. All right, so you're going to take the two little screws out.
And this light is on a 1, 2, 3.
It's a three-way.
Might be a 4-way. I think it's on a 4-way.
Oh. I thought there was 3 lights that went on when you turned it on.
Well, there's 3 lights that went on, but I think there's
Another one someplace.
actually 4
All right, so you've got,
switches.
which is why we've got more wires in this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these guys here, some little LED lights. They're very bright.
They're very flat, so they're more flush than these things that hang down with the glass globe on
Yeah,
them.
they're 6500K, so they're the very bright light that a lot of people don't like.
And I think they were like 20 bucks on Amazon.
Yes. So we bought one to try them, and we liked it. So we got some more. You get this in the box. They actually come with some of these
Fancy wire nuts.
fancy wire nuts, but they won't work for here. So, and as you can see, there's no ground because it's all plastic. There is no UL listing on them, but they do have a CE certification. Whether it's valid or not, who knows? There's a lot of this stuff. So, yeah, the adapter plate goes up over it. Your wires come down through the middle. They're pretty easy. They come with regular wire nuts as well. I'm going to reuse my larger ones because we have multiple wires. This will fit different sizes, and we found them to be pretty flexible and adaptable. And, you know, fortunately I'm kind of tall, so it's not real hard for me to just reach up and do them. I put the one screw in on one side, and I'll come start this side. this twice.
Oh.
Like that.
You're doing black to black and white to white,
Yep.
matching them up.
Give the wire a good tug to make sure it's going to stay in. See, that one won't stay in. But my arms are getting tired too.
Yeah. You want a stool or a step stool? Or...
Well, we have chairs down here to stand on.
That's
but they
true.
put my head
Into the
really
ceiling.
close to the ceiling.
Turn the power on so we can test it. Oh yeah, that works. Okay, so now shut the wires back up in.
Yeah. Get the bin there out of the way. Slide it up.
Turn
And
it
it
on.
just twists and locks.
Okay.
Power back on.
All right. Much better than
Works
the.
from that switch.
Yeah.
From that switch.
Works on that switch.
Works from that switch.
All right.
Hang on.
Okay. All right.
Works from that switch. So yeah, there are 4 switches on that one.
All right.
It is a 4-way
Okay.
or 3-way, or I don't know what it's called.
All right. Thanks for watching.